Guys, I'm so excited to share with you a simple process for sharing your Canva templates with customers and making it easy for them to access their purchase designs. In this tutorial, I will discuss how you can seamlessly share your templates with your customers, creating a smooth buying experience for them. Okay? So let's get into it and learn how to share templates with your customers. Also, I would like to explain the different type of Canva links for you so you will not get confused. Okay, so guys, please keep on watching so you'll understand how to use the different links in Canva. All right, okay guys, so we're gonna jump right into it. So I have my item that I would like to share, or what I would like my customers to receive when they purchase, let's say, this planner that I have here. In order to share this, in order to get the link to share this, I will go to the corner at the top where it says share. So I will click on share and then I will scroll down to template link. Now the template link is not always visible at this location. So what you will have to do is click on more and you will be able to see template link there. Or you can type in template link or template or link, and it will bring up everything. So this is our template link here. So we click on template link and then click copy. So at the end of this video, you will want to stay tuned because there are different types of links you can share, right? But I will explain different types of links at the end of this video. But if you're sharing a link to someone who has purchased an item, this is a link you have to choose. Okay, so you copy this link. Now that link is copied, we will now get into our downloadable package. This is how I like to call it. Okay, guys. So I would like to show you a downloadable that I have created for my Instant Rights and for my Instant Rights website. So basically, you'll want to ensure that the name of your business is on it, of course. And you will also want to identify or list the items that they have purchased, right? And probably you may want to insert some sort of instructions like what I did here. And of course, you will want to thank them for the purchase. And of course, you want to put the link where they can click to get the item. And you can ask for a review, like how I did here. And what I will also like to add is you can also add a social media link, right? So if you're on any social, you can add that. You can also just include your website again, as the same way I've done it here at the bottom, and make sure these things, and make sure you basically link your website. So you link your website, you link your social media pages. And what I did not include here, but what you can include, is a discount. And what I will be doing in the future is to include a discount, something that is really good, that will attract them, that will encourage them to come back to your store and purchase more from you. Okay, so you want them to come back, you want them to be a returning customer, so you can include some sort of enticing discount that will encourage them. Okay, so what I will do basically is copy this here. So in order to create your downloadable package, you can use any letter size or any size. I prefer to use the 8 by 8.5 by 11, the portrait size. Okay, and I will simply paste what I have here so far. Okay, and simply drag this into place, right? So I will not bore you with this, so I will speed this up. Okay, if this is your type of content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As I said, it really motivates me. I love the messages that you're leaving. It is like a little love note for me, it's a little motivation for me to keep on going. So guys, keep the comments coming. Let's be friends. All right. Okay guys, so I have created this lovely welcome package. So I will now show you where we can insert the link. So now we will link the product that we are selling. So you right click on the click here now button for your product, and you have several options. When you click on here, so when you click on the click here for your product button, you can see this link here. So you can either click on that, but most times it doesn't show up. So what you can do is click on the three buttons and then go to link, right? Then you remove what's there and you simply paste in your link. But I will need to get my link again. Okay, so it's simply paste in your link just like this, and voila, you're done. Okay, so this is your package basically, right? So it is linked. If you click on this arrow here, open link in new tab, you will see your product. Okay, so I'll go back in here and I will simply click on download, and we will download as a PDF standard. Right, so now we have the product here. So we'll open this. Okay, so this is basically what the customer will receive. All right. Okay, so now we have our product, right? And this is how the customer will see it. So when the customer click on the link here, right, it will basically let them know that they're opening a page. So you simply click on yes. And so basically, this is how it will look, right? So when your customer receives your item, this is how it's going to look. So you have your edit template and you use template for design. You will click on use template for new design. Okay, and if the customer is not, if they do not have a Canva account, then they will have to create an account. Okay. Okay guys, so as promised, let me talk about the different links that Canva has now so you will not get confused, right? So we have the collaboration link. So the collaboration link will allow you to share with a friend or someone, you know, you would like to give access to the design. So you click on this tab here and you have only you can access it or anyone with the link. You can give it for only one person or anyone with the link will be able to access this. Okay. And of course you can limit what they can do. So you can click on can view only, can comment, or can edit. So if you want someone to add their 2 cents in your design, click on can edit or can comment. It's really up to you. Okay. So when you're sharing a link with a friend or so, you know, this is what you have to do. If you are selling this as a template, then you'll have to click on template link, right? So the template link, most of the time it doesn't show here. So you have to click on more to get the template link. So if you do not use it on a regular basis, as I do, it will not show up. So you have to click on more. So you click on template link. All right. You can also click on this link here if you want to add it to your website or embed it to your website. So you have these options here. Okay. You can also click on public view. So the public view link, you can click on this, right? Create a public view link, right? And you copy this. So basically anyone, right? If you're selling this and you want to do a preview of the item that you're selling, this is what you can insert on your website. In your text, you can say, okay, if you want to view this, click here now. Okay, so this is how, let me show you how the link will work. Okay, so basically this is how the link will work, right? So you will be able to, they will only be able to view this, right? And nothing else but to view it. Okay, so when you click on embed, right, if you have a WordPress website or so, you will be able to get the links to embed this on your website. Okay, so this is not something we want. Or you can convert this to a website by clicking on website here. You can convert it to a website, but this is not what we want. But you know, I would just like to show you guys how these are used. Okay, so I would like to show you one more thing with the public view link. Okay, so for example, if we go into design, we can add some other pages here. So for instance, I will add these pages and I want to put this on my page as a product that I'm selling. Okay, so I go into public view and click on copy. So when I copy this, right, on the website or wherever you're selling this, you can say, okay, click here to preview the item. And when the person click on it, the page will open up and this is what they will see, right? As you can see, this is what they will see. They will be able to see each and every page. As you can see here, they will be able to click on each and every page, as you can see. So it will basically show you the number of pages at the bottom as you click through, right? You'll see the number of pages. So basically you can see the item before you buy. And I think this is such a great selling point, right? So I think this link here will definitely work for you. The public view link will definitely work for you when you are selling your digital product. And it was not always named public view. It was it had another name. So I think Canva has just upgraded this. Okay, and of course you can deactivate the link as well, because when you go to share, you can see everything that is activated, right? So in order to deactivate it, you will have to unpublish this design. Okay, and the same with the public view link as well. So let's say you have upgraded the design and you want to show this old one, right? You can delete the public link right here. Okay, delete public link, and persons, when they click on the link, or let's say they save it, they will no longer have access to view it. Okay, if you want to know how you can make money right now by creating templates in Canva, then watch this video next.